Johnny Robinson Rods returns again for videos. I know you guys have not seen me for like a while, but let me do something for my Grounded series. Aha! Johnny replaces his report card with a fake such suspended, such grounded. Enjoy the video. Alright, class. Today is report card day. Get out your report cards and give them to me.
Okay, Miss Twisty.
First is Andrea. You may come over here and show me your report card.
Okay. Here is my report card.
Okay, Andrea, you have done well this year in class. Now go back to your seat.
Okay.
Caillou, you're up next.
Oh, okay. Here's my report card.
Okay. Classic Caillou, you have all F minuses in your report card. You receive an hour of detention.
Geez, I hate this class.
Johnny Robinson, you may come up and show me your report card because you're next. Okay. Okay, Miss Twisty, here is my report card. I know you might not like it with all the F minuses I have, but I will show you them. Okay. Whoa. Johnny, you have all F minuses in your report card like Classic Caillou did. Now go back to your seat. Wait a minute, before I go back to my seat, may I please use the restroom? Sure, you could go ahead. Okay. The first thing I need to do is to take it to the principal's office and secretly kill with Prodigon Logic.
Johnny, what are you doing in here? I am trying to file all papers from the teachers.
Nothing. Since that worked, I am going to use Prodigon Logic to kill him. Prodigon Logic, activate. Now I'm going to replace my report card with a fake. Here comes nothing. I am going to replace the F minuses on my report card with A pluses.
When Johnny gets back to class.
Mrs. Twisty, here's my report card. It'll better not be F minuses on your report card. Nice job on your report card. You now go back to your seat. Okay.
After class.
Okay, class dismissed. You may go home now.
Okay.
Johnny, let me see your report card. Okay. Wait a minute, something is suspicious on your report card, Johnny. You spelled social studies and history wrong. And what's worst about that is that you replaced all F minuses with A pluses on it. Then show me your real report card. Okay, fine, I will show you. Oh, whoa. Johnny, how dare you replace your report card with a fake? That's it. You are grounded for 1 day until you get all real A pluses on your report card. Go to your room right now.
Thanks for watching.